Hello beautiful people, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. As for me, I am doing great. If today is your first time of coming across my video on YouTube or coming across my channel on YouTube, please do not hesitate by hitting the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video, you will be the first to get notified. In today's video, I'm about to do an ombre cloud nails. Did you guys hear that? Ombre cloud nails. These nails came out so pretty, and I love the nails. The nails was so nice. So right now you guys saw me applying my primers and my base coat. After applying my base coat, I cured it for 60 seconds, and also I did the I applied my tip off camera just to save time. Okay, so guys, I'm applying the poly gel. After applying the poly gel to the tip of the nails, I'll cure them for 60 seconds. These nails, trust me, it came out so well. So guys, I'm going to apply some glitter on the nails because she wanted some glitters on the nails, and that's one of the glitters that I got from Shein. So I'm just going to apply it on the nails on a wet poly gel because I didn't cure it. When you cure it, it's not going to stick to it. So I'm just applying it on the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Let's give a warm welcome to our new subscribers. Oh my days, oh my god, thank you guys for subscribing. From the last video I posted, which is the toenail video, I got over 50 subscribers. I am so grateful. I am happy. Thank you so much. Please guys, stick around, and I advise you guys to always watch my videos to the end. Do not skip. If I tell you want to skip, just skip a little bit because of the watch time. Okay, I am so grateful. Thank you. On this channel, we do polygel nails. As you guys can see, we unbox product and we also review product. If you have any video ideas, put it down in the comment section. That video will be up, and you guys will enjoy yourself. Please stick around. Okay, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to Nails by Laureen. And to my old subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. And to the new subscribers, please like my videos, okay? And I'll be so grateful. So that's my poly gel, my nude poly gel. I'm applying it on the tip of the nails, and then slightly push it down to the blue tip of the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. If you have watched to this point or to this moment and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? They're not going to charge you for it. Okay, please hit the subscribe button so that we'll move from this stage to another stage. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Keep watching and watch to the end so that you can see the beautiful look of these nails. So guys, that's my clear poly gel. I'm just gonna apply it on the nails. I just want to let you guys know that whenever you are doing your ombre nails, always apply your clear to the nails. Okay, it prevents you not to overfile the color of your poly gel. So after that, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Guys, all the stuff that I use are going to be in the description box. If you need anything, any product, just click on the link in my description box, and then you can actually buy the stuff from there. I put the link on there, and then it's going to directly take you to Amazon. All my stuff that I buy are from Amazon. So I'm just filing the nails. I'm going to shape the nails. That's my hand file, my Makartt hand file, the best that I've always been using. So I'm just going to file the nails, file the surface of the nails, and then you guys will start seeing the beauty of this thing. So just relax and watch me do this.
Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change.
So guys, I have my e-file. I'm just gonna use it to file around the surface of the nails. I'm gonna use it to file the cuticle areas of the nails, and also I file underneath the nails. I do this so that I will have a smooth finish, and also to take out all the crackiness from the nails. And guys, I will advise you, whenever you are doing this, be very careful so you don't cut through the person's nails, because these e-files, they are really sharp. You can see them. You can see right now, you think it's very fast. No, it's not. It's in a very low speed, because I don't want to cut my sister's nails. I'm actually doing my sister's nails, so I do this with caution. I'm very careful whenever I'm doing this. Okay, so I advise you to be very careful whenever you are doing this, so that you don't cut through the person's skin. So guys, I have my sanding bands. That's my Makartt sanding bands. I'm just gonna use it to file the surface of the nails. We are getting to the fun part, okay?
We're all going live, still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot.
So guys, I'm gonna go in with my buffer, and I'll just buffer the nails, okay? And now we're gonna skip to the good part. This is the good part. Trust me, I loved when I was doing these nails. These nails gave me joy. So what I'm doing right now, I'm applying my matte top coat. I'm gonna apply it, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I have my gel, my white gel polish. So, and I have my dotting tool. What I did was to dot, to make 3 dots on the nails, and then I'll slightly use my brush to build them down, or just slightly use my brush to push down the white gel that I dotted on the nails. With that way, I create a cloud. So we are going for a cloud design. You guys know how we have cloud on the in the sky. So that was what I did. So I'll just make a 3 dots on the nails, and then slightly push it down to any side that I want it to be. You guys are going to see how I did it. And if I want to clean my brush, I'll just use my acetone to clean the brush. So just watch me as I do this, okay? And if you have any question and if I didn't explain it better, put it down in the comment section. I'll definitely give you an answer to your questions, okay?
Magic, believe change. Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So guys, this is the nails after applying the design to all of the nails. Okay, can you guys see the beauty is coming up? So now I'm gonna apply my my top coat on all the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So guys, I'm gonna apply my cuticle oil on all the nails. I got this cuticle oil from Shein, and this oil smells so good. Okay, if you want it, I'm gonna put the link in my description box. All you need to do is to click on the link, and it's gonna take you directly to the website. Guys, take a moment to appreciate these nails. These nails came out so well, so beautiful. I love the nails. Okay, give it a try and come down to the comment section to tell me how you did. If you enjoyed this video and you understood this tutorial, please do not hesitate by hitting the subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.